big breaking news that we're currently tracking. Remember, the NCB had asked for custody until the 5th of October, but all the three accused have been granted one-day custody. The NCB will have custody of the three accused until tomorrow. All three accused in the NCB, in this case here, will be in NCB custody until tomorrow. Only one-day custody has been granted. Sahil, this is, of course, against what the NCB had asked for. They had requested for custody until the 5th of October, but it appears that they've got just one-day custody. On what grounds, if you can elucidate?
It clearly looks like that the 2 days custody has been rejected for NCB, whereas the 1 day custody, that is till tomorrow, the custody has been given. So tomorrow they will be produced in the regular court. Today being a holiday court, most of the time Mr. P.K. Jain will be able to elaborate on that. Most of the times the holiday court does not grant bail or send somebody to judicial custody. And as Divyesh was mentioning, now the procedure is pretty tedious. Looking at that, looking at the time, it looks like that the 1 day custody, one more day custody has been granted to NCB. Tomorrow they will be produced in the regular court, as the lawyers for all three accused have clearly said that they will be moving for a regular bail tomorrow itself. They have already moved the applications. They will be moving it soon, is what the lawyers have said. So it looks like that there will be a proper application, and then they will talk on what exactly has been found by NCB in this particular case. Now, the main contentions of the lawyers are going to be that there was no position with Aryan Khan, is what Satish Pandey has made it, Manish Shinde has made it already clear, that nothing has been found in his chat, and he had no idea about this party. He was called by the organizers at 11th hour, and he became part of this particular party. There was no drugs found on him. He was searched by NCB, is what Satish Shinde was trying to argue, whereas the NCB says that it needs a proper investigation, because they have already said in the court that even remaining 5 accused will be arrested and will be produced shortly in the court again, in a while. So obviously this case is made against all the 8 accused. All the 8 detainees now will be arrested and will be taken to the court. The remaining 5 will also be taken to the court. So obviously NCB says that there is more to it. Even if they are not found in a position, they were not found in selling the drugs, there is a possibility that they have bought it from some peddlers, and they want to investigate that particular nexus from where they have procured these drugs. The quantity of drugs have already been mentioned in the arrest memo. So according to NCB, the links to these peddlers, the names of these peddlers can be accessed through the interrogation and the investigation of these particular accused, and that's why they needed 2 days time. But it looks like it's a holiday court, so they have been given a 1 day custody at this point of time, and NCB will have to do away with that. But tomorrow it looks like that there will be a formal application for the bail after they will be produced in the regular court.
All right. Does that mean that tomorrow the NCB also has another chance to extend custody if they want to, or extend ask for an extension of custody based on the evidence that they found? Sahil?
Absolutely. NCB has already made it clear that they wanted to have the custody of these accused. They want to interrogate them further. They just don't want their statement, but they want to investigate on the basis of the WhatsApp chats they have recovered from the mobile phones. Even if Manish Shinde claims that there is nothing found on Aryan's mobile, but of course the remaining people, NCB claims that they have got some details about their dealings with the peddlers. So obviously they would like to interrogate them, question them about that, and for them they will definitely push for the custody for more days, and that is what it looks like that will be happening tomorrow. As they have pushed it for today also, they will. It's likely that they will push it for tomorrow as well.